All right, so we're going to talk about patchwork piecing now, and to get that perfect 1/4 inch, so we've got some options here. So if you're on the 3160, we're looking at stitch number 30. You're going to notice that it has a P, which stands for piecing. It's in the center needle position. And if you're on the 2030, it's going to be number 21. All right, so I'm on number 30. You may be wondering, what is the difference between this stitch and, like, say, for example, 00 stitch? And it really has to do with the stitch length up here. For a really nice looking patchwork pieced seam, the perfect stitch length is actually a little bit lower than what, the default might be at a 00. So that's basically where that P is coming in from for piecing. If you are on the 2030, you could be either using the F foot or your A foot would work. And of course, you're going to be following the guidelines here for the 1/4 inch line. I would even recommend doing a separate purchase of the 1/4 inch foot. This is the one that actually does come with the 3160. And again, as I mentioned earlier, it does have that little black flange right here for your fabric to ride up against. So it is an optional accessory with the 2030, but it does come with the 3160. I'm going to go ahead and replace that foot there. And let's take a look at what happens. So if I put my foot down, notice I'm just riding this black flange along the outside edge of my fabric. So nice to be able to guide my pieces like this. And let's cut my threads. And there we go. We've got a perfect 1/4 inch.